last point is where you will not like to miss. So stay tuned to the end. Don't miss the last point and don't skip any point because they are all important. Make sure you come back to this video to tell me the result after following all the things I'm going to tell you, the factors that will give you the 1,000 subscribers we are going to look out for. Make sure your phone is well charged. Another thing is that you have to make sure your internet connection is strong. Another thing for us to continue is that make sure you are in good health. Another one is that don't allow your 9 to 8 job to what 9 to 5 job to distract you, or your family things to distract you. When I'm talking about this strategy we want to follow, make sure all these things are in place. If you choose to do this by night hours, depending how your program is, make sure you have a steady light. If you don't have a steady light, make sure you're using your ring light. So number one factor is consistency. I want us to challenge ourselves for 28 days to 30 days. When I mean 28 days to 30 days, don't skip any day. Each day, depending the time you have chosen to do this, for 28 days or 30 days, even 60 days. And this video is not just only for small creators. There are some big creators who want more subscribers, maybe because they want to get the trophy. They are working towards completing their numbers to 100, to whatever number to get that trophy that YouTube do give. You have to do what? Challenge yourself for 28 days to 30 days. Another point is what? Your shorts. Leverage on your shorts. Now, as I'm doing this head talk video, from this head talk video, you can recreate 6 to 7 shots from it. And another thing about shots is like where you are taking pictures from different angles. It doesn't take time. Unlike head talk videos or sit down videos where you will sit to get at least 5 to 10 to more than minutes video to put out a particular thing you are teaching on. Then after doing that, another way you can get a very fast way of getting short is leveraging on other people's shots on your platform. YouTube approved that. When you click other people's shots that is trending, you will see where YouTube wrote collaborate, use sound, cuts. You can use those means to do what? Get videos to post out there. And when you are posting your shots, make sure you are using capital letters for your what? Your title. Even what you put on top to draw attention, make sure you use colorful text. Use colorful text to put it out there. Make it bold. Because people tend to click more on shorts. Watching shorts is not like where people are watching sit-down video. As I'm doing this video, I will take some minutes to do what? A lengthy video. That is how someone who is watching a sit or head talk video is doing. But when it comes to shorts, you can use 3 minutes or 5 minutes to watch how many shorts. And once people are watching, people are clicking and subscribing. People are subscribing. And once you are putting out your shorts, make sure you write subscribe. One thing about short is that even when you did not write subscribe as a newbie, they will tends to do what? They will always subscribe. Another one is what? Your social media. Share your videos after posting your videos. Give it at least 24 hours. Share it to your WhatsApp. Share it to your TikTok. Share it to your Instagram. All those your what? All your social media. And once people come to do what? Click, it will take them to your YouTube. And what are you doing? You are getting traffic, you are getting subscribers. Because there you will have to make sure that you put, please do well to subscribe. You are reminding them. Remind them to do what? To subscribe. Now the final organ is the oil way of getting it very fast that you are seeing it right there even before you finish is your live stream. Your live stream, I mean your face-to-face live stream, not your faceless live stream, not your silent live stream. Even when you are doing faceless live stream, even when you are doing silent live stream, you are very sure of getting subscribers. But your face-to-face live stream, challenge yourself that each day you will go on live. Each day for 28 days to 30 days, you will go on live. My brother, my sister, I am telling you, in the next 2-3 weeks, you will see a marvelous result. Even before that 30 days will complete. Before that your 30 days will complete, you will see a marvelous result. As you are on live, make sure you bring up an interesting thing to do. I've seen on live stream where people are just writing names. I've seen on live stream where people are just doing makeup. I've seen on live stream where people are just losing hair. I see on live stream where people are just combing people's hair. And you can bring up a topic. Some people bring up one topic, one Bible topic or political topic to discuss on, or something that happened somewhere. As you are seeing people on your life, tell them, please do well to subscribe. Please drop your like, drop your comments. You will tell them, remind them, I am seeing 5 people on my live. Please support me by double tapping. Support me by subscribing. You will see it as they are subscribing. You are sure. If some of them will, after subscribing, they will come back and tell you, I have subscribed. I have subscribed. So these are the factors that you will follow. Before your 30 days, you will get a maximum result. And in live stream, when you start the first day, the second day, or the first 1 week, let me just put it that way, you might not be seeing the results. You might not be seeing the results. But because you want to give yourself a challenge, you want to challenge yourself. There is a challenge. Before 1 week we end, you will see there are people that will be waiting for you. Especially when you have set out a time for your live stream, they will always come. And you know, in live stream is like shorts. Live stream is like shorts. Where people are always, when they watch this person, they keep scrolling. There are people who that their thing is live stream. So they always come to live stream. As they come, they are scrolling, they are scrolling, they are scrolling. You see them, they will stop by on your live. And once you are attracting them through the way you do your thing, either you're combing hair, either you're losing hair, either you are cooking. Some people have seen them where they are lying down. People want to know why they are lying down. So once all these things, you apply all these things, or choose any of them, or you decide to challenge yourself for your long form video for 30 days. When I mean 30 days, not you will post today, tomorrow you will not post. As a result of no battery, no this one. And finally, you completed 30 days after 2 months or 3 months, and you count it as a 30 days challenge. No, the 30 days challenge I'm talking about are the stretch. Make sure all these things are in place. You try as much as possible. That is why it's a challenge. Let your 9 to 5 hour job not distract you. Family, not having enough data and battery to stop you. So do well to subscribe, like, and share. See you for more video. Bye.